by loads. So first, number one is the solution is for AISI 3140 OQT 1000 Fahrenheit. So the given is SU is equals to 153 psi, SY is equals to 124 psi, then SN is equals to 0.5 SU, and then is equals to 0.5 multiplied by 153 ASI, so it will become 76.5 ASI. And then next is SN is equals to 0.5 SU is equals to 0.8 times 0.85 multiplied by 76.5. Then it will become 52 KSI. And then for the double acting, so F max is equals to F, and then it is equal to PA. So 125 multiplied by pi over 4 multiplied by 20 squared. So F max is equals to 29,270 pounds for, and then in 2 kgs is 39.27 kgs. Then for the F min is negative 39.27 kgs. And then next is for the SA. SA is equals to 4F is over pi d squared. So 4 multiplied by 39.27 over pi d squared. And then the answer is 50 over d squared. And then it will become 1 over 1.75 equals to 0 plus 50 over 2 over d squared. So the distance is equals to 1.29 inches. So next is for SA. So to formulate the formula here. So this is the formula 1 over n equals to 0 plus SA over Sn. So you need to manipulate the formula. So it will become SA is equals to Sn over n. So input the values. So 9.643 over t raised to q equals to 15.20 over 2. So the t is equals to 1.08 inches. So next is for the b. So b is equals to 2.83, and then so since the value of t is 1.08, so we need to input it to this formula. So 2.8 multiplied by 1.08, then it will become 3.0 inches. So next is for the m. So m is equals to fc. So input the value, so 900 times 4 inches, and then the answer of m is equals to 3,600 inch pounds, and then convert it to cubes, so it will become 3.6 inch cubes. And then next is you need to solve for the SA. So 3.6 multiplied by 1.40 over 1.8293 t raised to 4, and then the answer will be 2.755 over t raised to cube. And then next is 2.055 over t cube is equals to 15.26 over 2, and then t is equals to 0.713 inches. And then lastly is to solve for b. So b is equals to 2.80. So 2.8 multiplied by 0.713, and then the answer of b is equals to 1.996 inches or 2 inches.